animals normally move in the night time. So in the daytime they are there, and when about, let's say, 9-10 in the evening, they come up and start going around here
Looking for food.
Yeah. Okay, now we come to the camera area. So
Over here?
it's possible that in this documentary they will see us when we move here. A lot of cameras here. I'll show you the place. Yeah, we can go further. Just a minute, what is this? Oh, this is eatable, yeah. Oh, and in very good condition.
Perfect. There are a lot of these. Ok, estos son los comestibles.
I only know that the Finnish name for this is vaalea orakas.
Take. At last, it's not far away from the house, really.